Are you looking for the best blender? In this video, we will break down the top blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best blenders on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Vitamix 5200 blender. This blender has easily adjustable speed levels that can blend a variety of textures. The Vitamix 5200 blender has a cooling fan and thermal protection system. This blender is ideal for blending medium to large batches. The blades can reach speeds that are so fast they can actually create friction heat. This means the Vitamix can turn cold ingredients into warm or steaming hot blended food. Anyone in the mood for some hot soup? The Vitamix 5200 blender contains hardened stainless steel blades, a radial cooling fan, and a thermal protection system. The blender comes with a motor base, 64-ounce container, a guide to getting started, DVD, and a classic tamper. The electrical ratings are 120 volts, 50/60 Hz, and 11.5 amps. Thanks to the variable speed control, this blender can blend a huge variety of textures. You can also change the speed dial at any point while your food is blending, so you are in total control throughout the entire process. Yes, this blender is pricey, however, it comes with a 7-year warranty and is meant to last a lifetime. At number 2, we have the KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender. This KitchenAid provides everything one needs when looking for the perfect budget-friendly blender. It comes with a 1-year warranty and is very lightweight and effective. This KitchenAid's removable blending arm and stainless steel blade make blending ingredients fast and easy. You can use the whisk to make a cream, mayonnaise, or even some scrambled eggs. The chopper attachment easily chops up nuts, meats, cheeses, and fruits. All the parts of this blender only weigh a total of about 2 pounds, making it extremely light and easy to use. This KitchenAid has a soft grip, non-slip handle, which is helpful when consistently blending ingredients. It contains a 2.5 cup BPA-free chopper attachment with a locked lid, a 3 cup BPA-free blending jar, a whisk attachment, and a removable 8-inch blending arm with a fixed blade. Whatever you choose to do, blend, chop, crush, puree, or whisk, the KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender makes it easy. Currently valued at only $44.95, you're saving $35.04 from its original price, making this blender a steal. At number 3, we have the Breville Control Grip. This immersion blender performs best when you use it to carefully blend homemade yogurt, smoothies, or milkshakes. Some reviewers report that they have difficulty using the blender's detachable chopping attachment on thick-skinned vegetables or fruit. Despite the minor issues reported, this is still the best hand blender we found during our research, and Consumer Reports loves it just as much as we do. The Breville Control Grip blender gets rave reviews when it comes to design, with users praising its easy-to-grip handle and suction-reducing internal ribbing. This sleek, compact blender is small enough to be tucked away in a pantry or drawer. You can use this immersion blender for many of the same recipes you create with a regular blender, including frosty beverages, creamy smoothies, and thick gravy. Switch between its chopping attachment and whisk for variety in the kitchen. This hand blender will cost around $90, which is a fair price for the performance it offers. At number 4, we have the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. This extremely powerful blender is perfect for frozen drinks and smoothies. It has 1100 watts of power with 3 speeds, pulse, and single-serve functions. It functions as a high-powered top-of-the-line blender for a quarter of the price. This blender is meant for making smoothies and frozen drinks. Its total crushing pitcher blends ice into the perfect texture for your favorite frozen beverage. Its 2 Nutra Ninja cups with to-go lids are great accessories to create your favorite personalized on-the-go drink. At 1100 watts, this blender is extremely powerful and ready to tackle your everyday smoothie needs. The blender has 3 speeds, pulse, and single-serve functions. Its total crushing pitcher is 72 ounces, and its 2 Nutra Ninja cups are 16 ounces. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. This high-powered processing machine is made for crushing and blending. This is your go-to blender when looking to make the perfect smoothie. It comes with 2 to-go cups and lids, making it ideal for on-the-go smoothies or juices. If you're looking for a blender to make smoothies and frozen juices, then this Ninja Professional blender is a great value. If you're looking for a blender with more functions, this blender may be on the more expensive side, as it serves very specific functions. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Waring Commercial Blender Xtreme High Power Series. Stainless steel blade efficiency withstands constant, long-term use. A simple flip switch design lets you prepare smoothies or frozen cappuccinos with minimal effort. Users rave about how this Waring blender consistently produces creamy smoothies without flecks of kale stems or blackberry seeds floating around. A 1500-watt motor delivers 12.5 amps of power while blending, pureeing, or grinding, making this appliance one of the most powerful blenders on our list of favorites. This blender has a clear jar and black base that won't overpower the existing decor in your restaurant or home kitchen. We dig the blender's practical spout because it makes it easy to pour drinks without making a mess. We know restaurants need a versatile blender, which is why we chose the Waring Xtreme as the best commercial blender. You can whip up a smooth batch of homemade soup, blend fresh fruits for a smoothie, grind coffee beans and ice for a caffeinated drink, or prepare homemade cashew butter with no issues. Expect to pay around $285 for this commercial blender, which typically comes with a 3-year warranty. Although this blender comes at a hefty cost, we truly believe that it's worth every penny. So that sums up our top blenders of 2020. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.